Windows play a crucial role in your home's aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Kendall, Florida, where the climate demands a balance between style and practicality, double-hung windows have emerged as a popular choice. Their classic design, versatility, and range of features make them an ideal fit for both traditional and modern homes. Here are the top benefits of choosing double-hung windows for your Kendall home. Timeless style for any home. Double-hung windows feature a classic design with two operable sashes that slide vertically, making them a versatile option for a variety of architectural styles. Why Kendall homeowners love them? For traditional homes, their symmetry and clean lines complement Mediterranean, colonial, and Victorian styles commonly found in Kendall. For modern designs, with customizable frame finishes and glass options, double-hung windows adapt seamlessly to contemporary aesthetics. This timeless design ensures that double-hung windows enhance your home's appearance while adding lasting curb appeal. Flexible ventilation option. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their ability to provide superior ventilation. Both the top and bottom sashes can be opened, allowing for customizable airflow. How it benefits Kendall homes. Open the top sash to release warm air while keeping the bottom sash closed for safety and privacy. Use both sashes for maximum cross ventilation, especially during cooler evenings or breezy days. Control humidity and improve indoor air quality in Kendall's warm and humid climate. This flexibility makes double-hung windows a practical choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Energy efficiency for lower bills. Double-hung windows are designed with features that improve insulation, keeping your home comfortable while reducing energy costs, a key consideration in Kendall's warm climate. Energy-efficient features. Double or triple glazing minimizes heat transfer and improves indoor temperature stability. Low E glass reflects heat and blocks UV rays, reducing the load on your air conditioning system. Weatherproof seals prevent air leaks and drafts, enhancing energy efficiency. By maintaining a stable indoor temperature, double-hung windows help lower energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable home. Easy maintenance. The tilt-in design of double-hung windows makes cleaning and maintenance simple, even for upper-floor windows. Why it's convenient. Both sashes tilt inward, allowing you to clean the exterior glass from inside your home. The design reduces the need for ladders or professional cleaning services, saving time and money. Durable frame materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, resist warping and fading, even in Kendall's humid conditions. This ease of maintenance ensures that your windows stay in top condition with minimal effort. Enhanced safety and security. Double-hung windows are equipped with features that provide peace of mind for Kendall homeowners. Safety features. Limit opening to the top sash for ventilation while keeping the bottom sash secure, ideal for homes with children or pets. Secure locking mechanisms and reinforced frames deter potential intruders. Impact-resistant glass options meet Florida's building codes, providing added protection during storms. These features make double-hung windows a safe and reliable choice for your home. Maximizing natural light. Double-hung windows are designed with large glass panes that allow abundant natural light to flood your interiors, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Benefits of more light. Reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, saving energy. Enhances the beauty of your home's interior spaces by highlighting furniture, decor, and architectural features. Creates a sense of openness and connection to Kendall's outdoor landscapes. This natural lighting effect improves the overall ambiance and livability of your home. Customizable to match your style. Double-hung windows are available in a variety of materials, finishes, and designs, allowing you to create a personalized look that matches your home's aesthetic. Customization options. Choose from materials like vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass for durability and style. Select colors and finishes that complement your exterior and interior design. Add decorative grills, frosted glass, or unique shapes for a distinctive touch. This level of customization ensures that your windows enhance both the appearance and functionality of your home. Increased home value. Installing double-hung windows is a smart investment that can increase the value of your Kendall property. How they add value. Their classic design and energy-efficient features appeal to potential buyers. Enhanced curb appeal makes your home more attractive on the market. Durable, low-maintenance windows provide long-term savings and convenience. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the benefits yourself, double-hung windows offer a significant return on investment. Durability for Kendall's climate. Double-hung windows are built to withstand the challenges of Kendall's tropical weather, including high humidity, heavy rains, and strong winds. Durable features. Frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist warping, cracking, and fading. Impact-resistant glass options provide protection during storms. Weatherproof seals and materials are designed to last, even in humid conditions. This durability ensures that your windows remain functional and beautiful for years to come. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows offer Kendall homeowners a winning combination of style, functionality, and efficiency. Their timeless design, customizable features, and ability to improve ventilation, energy efficiency, and safety make them an ideal choice for any property. By partnering with a trusted window professional, you can customize and install double-hung windows that perfectly suit your home's unique needs and aesthetic. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or planning a new build, double-hung windows are a smart investment that enhances the beauty, comfort, and value of your Kendall home.